you're thinking about buying from Maison Vora Watches in 2026, you might want to pause for a moment because what looks premium on the surface doesn't always match reality. Maison Vora presents itself as a luxury-inspired watch brand offering stylish designs at surprisingly low prices, which instantly raises a key question. How are they able to offer such high-end aesthetics for so cheap? The product range does look appealing with modern, minimal, and classic designs that could easily catch anyone's eye, especially if you're into affordable fashion watches. But when you look deeper, things get a bit mixed. The pricing strategy feels more like a marketing play than genuine value, often using heavy discounts that create urgency but don't necessarily reflect real worth. Their authenticity claims also sit in a gray area while they don't directly claim to be luxury. The branding definitely leans in that direction, which can be misleading for some buyers. Customer experiences across different platforms are inconsistent. Some people are satisfied with what they receive, saying it matches the price, while others question the build quality, durability, and overall finish. Shipping times and support responses also seem to vary, which adds another layer of uncertainty. So what's the final takeaway? Maison Vora Watches isn't clearly a scam, but it's not a guaranteed win either. It sits somewhere in the middle. If you go in expecting a budget fashion watch rather than a premium timepiece, you might be fine, but if you're expecting true luxury quality, you could end up disappointed.